Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be making a Victoria sandwich, also known as a Victoria sponge. But before I get into it, can I remind you, if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe and press the notification bell if you like this video, and also give me a thumbs up. All that certainly does help with the algorithm. Okay, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so already in the mixing bowl I've already cracked 4 eggs, and you need 225 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, which I've already mixed in with the self-raising flour, and 225 grams of softer butter. Okay, so I'm gonna put the caster sugar in, and also sieving the flour and the baking powder to make sure there isn't any weevils, even though it says pre-sieved on the package. As you can see, there are some lumps in there already, and some impurities, and as you can see, that has been filtered out now. And also I'm gonna also put the butter in. Right, so with the back of a spoon I'm going to cream this all together. Right, you don't want to be stirring it too much. It should easily fall off the spoon, like so, but you don't want to be stirring it too much. Okay. Right, once the mixture is in, all the mixture is in the cake tin, just put it into the oven that's been heated up to 100 degrees for about 25 minutes. Okay, so if it's a liquidy jelly consistency like so, it needs to be put back into the oven for about around about another few minutes. Should be turn out to be brown and golden. Okay. Right, okay, so leave it to cool down for a little while. Well, after it's a nice golden brownish colour like this, I'm going to put it right in with a palette knife. Okay, so I can't hold the camera as well as doing this, so I'm going to cut off now. Right, so what I'm doing now is spreading a dollop of jam on. 1/2. I'm not going to show you the other one because it'll be repetitive, but you've got the idea, haven't you? Okay. You need to do that with both sides. Okay, so don't know what happened there. Probably because I used granulated sugar and by mistake not caster sugar. But as Freddie Mercury used to say when he was alive, the show must go on. So okay, so unfortunately I don't have a dredger. So I'm going to use my hands to sprinkle some icing sugar on. Lots of professionals use a dredger. Okay. Right, so there you have it, your Victoria sandwich. Okay, so that's it for another video. Thank you all very much for watching. Do remember, if you liked this video, please do drop me a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe, and also check the social media links in the description below. And also remember, whether you're autistic or not and want to learn some recipes and want to learn to cook, do remember, I have your